Hey, nail art lovers. If you've got short nails and want to rock stunning designs, you're in the right place. From classic French tips to trendy negative space designs, today we're sharing beautiful, easy nail art ideas that'll make your short nails look amazing. First up, French tits. Timeless and elegant, perfect for short nails with a clean white or metallic tip. Next, try negative space designs for a sleek, modern vibe. Geometric patterns and simple lines are ideal for short nails. If you love minimalism, simple dots, lines, or triangles are chic and easy to do. Soft colors or matte finishes will elevate your look. For something fun, go for floral nail art. Tiny, delicate flowers look gorgeous on short nails. Don't forget ombre nails. A gradient effect can make short nails appear longer and more sophisticated. Lastly, glitter or metallic accents add that perfect glam touch to your short nails. Whether it's a full glitter nail or just an accent. So, which design will you try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more nail art inspiration. Keep those nails fabulous. Please continue to watch the video and enjoy this nails art designs and share my video to your friends.